Hey, Alyssa LeBlanc here. Today we're making Moroccan style venison. This dish is inspired by a Moroccan tagine, but I don't have access to a tagine, so I'll be using my Dutch oven. So the first thing we're gonna do is make a special Moroccan spice blend. This is called braised hanout. So today we're using a deer front shoulder. I cut it in half so I can put it in the pot. A neck roast would also work for this recipe. Alright, so at this point you can either cook it on the stovetop on low, you can throw it in the slow cooker on low or high, you can pop it in the oven on low at 200 or high at 300. I'm going to throw mine on the Traeger at 300. Alright, this meat is looking super tender. I cooked it for about 4 hours. I'm now going to remove the meat from the pot, add the pot to a burner on high heat, and reduce that sauce down. Alright, so I paired this with a fragrant couscous, and I topped the meat off with the sauce. So I have it all on one spoon. Let's give this a go. Wow, that is super good, super warm, great on a cold day. Definitely gonna make this again. You gotta try this recipe.